everyone, the last couple of weeks has seen some bearish news. United States President Donald Trump has COVID-19, true or false is for another debate, and this brings a lot of uncertainty and doubt in the stock markets. The CSC are targeting BitMEX, finally if you ask me. And Bitcoin got hacked. All bearish news, but what is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin went from K towards K. This is really nothing special and shows a lot of resilience. For me, this is a good sign and could well confirm that we are in a bull market. In bear markets, this kind of news would have dropped the Bitcoin price a lot more than just 3 to 4%. In bull markets, however, this kind of news does not really affect price negatively anymore. The BitMEX bits targeted by the CSC is about time for me. I know that we are in a free market and we should embrace a form of decentralization, but when an exchange is deliberately trading against its customers, I feel it is only fair to bring them to justice. The CSC is charging them for all kinds of reasons, but for me the biggest point is the trading against its customers. They have made millions if not billions of all the fees they have raked in by liquidating customers. This is simply not fair and should get punished. Furthermore, leverage is very risky and maybe it would be a good idea to bring a form of caution in leverage trading. Exchanges should not be allowed to let you trade for a 100x leverage in my opinion. It is a pure gambling/casino environment and you know that the house will always win at the end. Maybe it would be good to regulate derivative and leverage exchanges towards a maximum of 5x or 10x leverage. This would maybe give less volatility, but at the same time Bitcoin and altcoins would grow more natural. Bitcoin got hacked, like a lot of other exchanges in the past, and shows once again that you should store your longer-term holds on other wallets, hot or cold wallets, rather than to keep them in the exchanges. If you purely trade short-term, it is better to keep them on the exchange, but all the rest is really better to put them somewhere else. It may be a little hassle, but believe me you will feel safer and reassured after. Now let's go over to Bitcoin. The monthly chart closed good in my opinion, closed above $10.593, like I stated in my previous post would be bullish, and signals a test towards at least 12K again in October. Obviously there is caution applied, because of all the news we had in the recent weeks. President Trump having COVID-19 is not helping the stock markets at all and brings a lot of fear and uncertainty. It is well possible we see another good drop in these markets and this would most likely bring Bitcoin and the altcoins down as well, unfortunately, short term. However, if we do not see a big drop in the stock markets, kind of like March 2020, but on a smaller scale, I really think Bitcoin can retest 12K and if it breaks above it we can target 14K/17K. A lot of people are bearish right now and I see a lot of targets flying around Twitter of around 9K, 8K and even lower. The more people are bearish, the better it is. The fear and greed index is around 42, which is slight fear. Going against the herd has often proven to give good results, so be aware if a lot of people are bearish. Weekly Bitcoin. Here is a weekly chart of Bitcoin. I have drawn two orange arrows to show OB moving up during a certain length of time and price actually being down compared to that. This is bullish longer term. When we look at shorter term moment, OB and price are kind of agreeing with each other. This means that price is where it should be looking at AM. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.